Slick back.
No, slick back.
That's what I said. Slick back.
No, nigga, I'm a pimp named Slick back. Pimp named Slick back. Pimp named
Slick back.
Nigga, are you deaf? I'm a pimp named Slick.
Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Dennis Deru. I'm from class 23C NPM 23411-019. Here I will explain material about cost function and revenue function. Okay, cost function and revenue function. In the business world, the cost function and revenue function are two very important things to understand. In this presentation, we will discuss the meaning, types, comparison, and application of these two functions. Introduction to cost function. Understanding the cost function, cost in the sacrifice of resources to obtain a good or service. The cost function describes the relationship between production cost and production level. Types of cost function. Several types of cost function include fixed costs, variable costs, and total costs. Fixed costs are costs that do not change. Variable costs are costs that change as production goes up and down. And total costs are the total or fixed costs and variable costs. Okay, next. Introduction to reception function. Understanding the reception function. Revenue is income obtained from the sale of the products of service. The obtained function describes the relationship between obtained and production level. Types of reception function. Several types of revenue function include total revenue, marginal revenue, and revenue elasticity. Total revenue is the amount of income received from the sale of products or service. Marginal revenue is additional income earned from the sale of additional product or service. Comparison of cost function and revenue function. Number 1. Difference between cost function and revenue function. The cost function shows the production cost of a good or service, while the revenue function shows the income from the sale of goods or service. The cost function shows the relationship between cost and production, while the revenue function shows the relationship between income and production. Number 2. Relationship between cost function and revenue function. To achieve maximum profits, the company must determine the optimal production level by considering the relationship between the cost function and the revenue function. Companies can achieve maximum profits when the revenue function is the same as the cost function. Okay. And application of the cost function and revenue function. Number 1. Example of application of the cost function. And 2. Example of function implementation reception. The company can determine optimal price for each product and service offered by considering the revenue function. The optimal price is the price that produces the greatest income with a certain level of production. If a company wants increased production, need to consider the additional production cost that it is related. The action should result in greater additional profit rather than the additional cost incurred. And last, consolation. Summary of cost function and function reception. Cost function and revenue function are two important concepts that must be understood by companies to achieve maximum profits. The cost function describes the relationship between cost and production, will the revenue function describe the relationship between income and production? The importance of understanding these two functions. Understanding two functions will help companies make more optimal decisions in managing costs and revenues. Thanks all the material I explained. If there is anything wrong, please thank you.